What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about secrets of success. So this is the latest platform of Russell Brunson, and I'm going to show you um, the real training because I bought this because I wanted to really know how good this program is. And so when I bought it, they sent me these books: Think and Grow Rich, Apply Psychology, and Secrets of Master Salesmanship. So basically what I did is that I got access to a 30-day free trial, and I just paid for the shipping of the books. So check this out. Yes, get my 3 free gifts and test drive Secrets of Success free for 30 days. So that is what I bought. And basically one of the most important things that people are going to learn with this training platform is that, so here we have success principles from all of these people. For example, Napoleon Hill, Horizon Sweat Martin, Charles F. Haenel. And as you can see here, we have as well Earl Nightingale, Maxwell Maltz. And right now, let me show you the platform because this is a really good platform. And if you are an affiliate marketer, this is a great training product that you can promote as an affiliate marketer as well. So one of the most important things here in the homepage is that we can subscribe to this members only podcast. And this podcast has really good information about success principles. So I'm going to scroll down and let me show you. So you can see here I have access to the platform, the library, the study hall, training schedule. But right now, let me show you quickly the members podcast. And what I can do here is that I can listen from all of these lessons. For example, Secret of Success VIP call, Elephant to Monkeys, and a Lizard, Tom Billio consultant call. So this is one of the I like this lesson a lot. Tom Billio consult call. So it has good information. We have here drifter versus driven, how to have confidence. We have 18 lessons here. Now I'm going to go to the library so you can see what are you going to have access. So in here they are going to give you 2 credits per month. So right now I have 2 credits and I can unlock any of these lessons with 1 credit. So let's say that I want to hear this audiobook. So I just need to click on the picture of the person, then click on the thumbnail, and here I can use 1 credit. So basically I can unlock 2 audiobooks per month. So that is one of the most important things you need to know. And you can go through all of these courses from Andrew Carnegie, Robert Kohler, Samuel Smiles, Brian Tracy, Jim Rohn. So let's say that I want to hear a Jim Rohn book. I just need to click on the picture and then I need to select the audiobook. And here I can read, for example, this is a 4.5-hour audiobook and the other one is a 6-hour audiobook. I just need to click on the audiobook and use the credit that I have. So let's moving on. I'm going to click on the study hall. So they have these lessons recorded. For example, if I go to the Secret of the Ages, so this one was on February 2024. These are the special guests, and I have the recordings here. The Secret of the Ages Masterclass, book club replays, and all that good stuff. So this has really good information, guys. I'm going to go to the training schedule. So basically they have a live call every Friday. So check this out. This is the training schedule. In here I can check, for example, so today is March 3rd. So let's go to April. So there is going to be a book club discussion on April 5th at 10 a.m. The Strangest Secret book club discussion. And as you can see, so that is the training schedule. I can go to the paid courses, newsletter, community. But if you're an affiliate marketer, you can promote this program as well. And let me show you quickly the referral program. So this is my affiliate link for all the people who wants to promote Secret of Success. So they have a 2-tier affiliate program. So that means that you can have referrals under you, and if those persons make a commission, you can earn a small percentage of that sale, and then you can earn 40% commission from every of your sales. So they have as well marketing materials, and this is good because here I can use all these emails. For example, email number 2 sent March 28th, this for the Strangest Secret Masterclass. So, and I can just copy and paste this and copy and paste on one of my autoresponders or email marketing softwares, for example, GetResponse or funnelfreedom.io, and I can send an email to my email list. And so this is really good because they have good copywriting. They have emails with good copywriting skills. They have as well newsletters. And what I like about this is that, check this out. So they have these affiliate newsletter archives. And here we can use all of these newsletter. Win big this week, share your success story with the world, affiliate exclusive, mastermind, revelation, and upcoming riches. So this is really good, the analytics and all that good stuff. So now let me show you how I'm promoting this product, guys, because we as an affiliate marketers, we can promote this because this is a high quality product from Brunson. So I'm going to go to this software. The name is Funnel Freedom because I'm utilizing a 7-figures done for you system inside of this software. Basically, let me show you. Here I have my Secret of Success affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link, and instead of driving traffic to this affiliate link, what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to a sales funnel, which is this one. So I'm collecting emails before sending that offer. So with this software, Funnel Freedom, I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, not just Secret of Success. I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, GetResponse, the Funnel Freedom software as well. And one of the supporting offers inside of this affiliate stacking ecosystem is Secret of Success. So what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, and basically I'm promoting this product. So people, if they want to get access to this free course that I'm giving away, they can click this button and I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. And once I have that information, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails. And one of those emails is an email to promote Secrets of Success. So basically, what I'm doing is that I'm promoting all of those products that I just showed it to you by just sending traffic to an opt-in page. So these are all the products that I'm promoting: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer. Check this out: Secret of Success, System.io. So I'm promoting software: Funnel Freedom, Freedom Accelerator. That is for the webinar. GetResponse, Udemy. And so I'm interested more in collecting the emails of the prospect than just sending traffic to this affiliate link. Because once I have collected that information, I can promote multiple affiliate products. And one of those products that I'm promoting is Secrets of Success. And this is a really cool way to promote multiple affiliate products, guys, because this is like We just need to like send traffic to a simple page, and this program is going to do all the work. So it has a nurturing sequence or email sequence to promote all of those products. And the way that I'm using to drive traffic to this product is by creating content on my YouTube channel. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating content about tutorials on how to do affiliate marketing, how to start high ticket affiliate marketing, and I tell people that if they want to get access to a free training, they can click the link in the description of this video, and if they click and then they write their information, they will start receiving all of those emails in which I'm promoting all of these products, because I believe that these products are going to help them in their journey. So whether you are a businessman or a salesperson or an affiliate marketer, this is a really cool product that you can utilize to learn the principles of success. So I bought this product, and what I'm doing is that I'm in a monthly subscription, $97 per month, so you can cancel at any time. So that is one of the cons of this product, because you need to pay $97 a month, but value that you are getting is more than that. So here I have all the resources and access to all of these trainings from these high achievers: Jim Rohn, Maxwell, Elsie Lincoln, Earl Nightingale. Okay, so in case that if you want to get access to my free affiliate marketing training, you can click the link in the description that says free affiliate training, guys. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the